against each other. You know, each team is going to give it their all. There's a lot of pride at stake, Coach Ryan.
And a lot of animosity as well. They don't like each other. They've been
outside. This guy misses, however, on the rebound. Arwin Santos ang pumulo. Pass all the way into Junmar. And what a pass that was! Ang ganda naman, eksakto ang pagbato ni Chris Ross to Junmar Fajardo. He gets the basket, he's fouled, who lost it momentarily but regained control. Tapos inantay muna nila si Marcio. Marcio di diskarte, drop to Junmar. Ano score? 12-2. 12 Junmar, 2 TNT.
tama yan. Pag nag-don ka ngayon, tawagan mo rin.
That's right. Regardless of the personality.
Oh, yes.
Inside the Junmar. And, you know, we'll say it time and again. Lassiter. 3 is in and out. Junmar taps it to himself. Basket not. Chance for a three-point play. We really need to have a list. How many foul-counted N1 opportunities has San Miguel had? I count at least 7. Yung reaction talaga ng bench ng TNT sa pagmintis na yon. Wow! And then, ang sasagot sa'yo sa kabila. Basket from Junmar Fajardo plus a chance yet again.
10 to 11 points na lang yan. Otherwise, mau-overwhelm ka eh. Kung 21 agad ang iisipin mo.
That's right. Problem is,
alam mo, kanina nga nanonood ako ng retirement ni Dirk Nowitzki. Nagsalita si Larry.
Gives it to Marcio, swing to Terrence, open from the corner. Stan Hardinger to Junmar! Whoa!
And the two guys are just playing better. Great music together. They've been...
Here they come running the other way. Ross, change of direction, missed, knowing that his big buddy was right behind him for the putback.
You miss the first shot, but you're confident because of the back of his eyes.
Our Firefly LED kasama mo, Bida player of the game from the San Miguel Beermen is Junmar Fajardo, finishing with 32 big points, 14 rebounds, perfect from the field, 11 out of 11. Congratulations, Junmar. Very rare yung makita natin na kasi tao lang eh, nagkakamali. Pero for you to have a perfect ball game, ano yung naging motivation coming into this game for you to be able to play that way?
Unang-una na pasalamat kami agad na walang na-injury sa amin as well as sa Token Tex. And then credit sa Token Tex sa magandang series na binigay nila sa amin. Maganda yung game plan nila, maganda yung game plan nila sa amin. So credit sa kanila. And then of course, credit sa mga teammates ko, sa coaching staff namin, then sa top management. Minomotivate nila kami para maglaro ng maayos. And then, syempre, gusto namin makabalik sa finals. Then, and, lahat nag-step up, lahat ng pinasok ni coach nag-step up. Nasunod namin yung game plan namin. So, and, buti nanalo kami. So, thankful kami na nanalo kami. So,
looking forward to the semifinals kung saan ang makakaharap nyo is the #1 team this conference, Phoenix. How are you going to maximize yung day in between? Dahil syempre, laro kayo back-to-back sila, medyo nakapagpahinga na. Kamusta ka? How are you feeling? Injuries and all that?
Sa ngayon, kailangan lang namin magpahinga kasi masyadong bugbog yung katawan namin. Nagugulpi kami doon sa loob. So, ayun, tsaka na namin isipin yung Phoenix, pagbalik namin sa practice. So, sa ngayon, enjoy muna namin yung panalo namin to. So,
may mga babatiin, ang mama mo nanonood.
Babate, of course, thankful ako sa mama ko nandito and then sinusuportahan ni Mendon. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng si Papa, ikaw yun?
Lolo?
Papa,
Kendra, Papa,
Wawa. Thankful rin kami kay Atty. Baldomero Estenso. Text niya ako, concern siya nung game 2 kasi parang musta daw yung tuhod ko. So thankful ako sa kanya, sa family niya, sa suporta. Then syempre sa lahat ng mga fans ng San Miguel na nandito sa suporta. Thankful kami. So ayan, pinsan ko si Buboy Randina. Sana gumaling na siya ng tuluyan. Sa lahat ng mga taga-Compostela, Lolo Berting.
Congratulations, Junmar Fajardo.